All right, everybody. So today I got some new lights for my garage. The previous lights, or the ones I have right now, are these LED bulbs. They're called Elite Lighting. They're 10 watts, 800 lumens. I'm gonna go to this LZ Homes LED Garage Lights. Very cool. Supposed to be 82 watts, instead of 10 watts, and 9,000 lumens by 800 lumens. So I'm going to go from the 2400 lumens that you see here behind me, but probably a little more because there are lights within the garage door openers, to 27,000 lumens. So I'm not sure if that's really what happens with these LED lights. They just screw in the same socket. So let me put this down. I'll open this box and we'll get started, put these new lights in and see what the difference is. I took a picture earlier of what the garage looks like with the current 800 lumen bulb lights in, and I'll do a little comparison up there for you, put the picture in. All right. All right, I'll open this box real quick so you can see what they look like. Should be fairly simple. Here's the instructions, and basically, I think they come with one of these receptacles too. But I don't need that. And it's fairly simple. You pull it out of here. You can bend these to your liking. I'll probably just leave them flat. And I don't need this. And what I'll do is take the bulb out that's in there now and screw this in, and we'll see what she looks like. You can read that. So there you go. To move Stella out of the way. Stella is my Mercedes E550 convertible. I've noticed that you don't have to tighten these real tight, so I haven't been doing that, and they still come on. It's nice. Be right back. Okay, I brought Stella back in. I put the garage door down, and here we go. Turn the lights on, and you'll see the difference here. Wow. It's pretty nice. I guess I could push these, the lenses facing that way, kind of push them up a little bit to give more light toward the garage doors, but it is definitely a lot more light than it was before. And like I said, I'll take a picture. I have a before picture. I'll take an after picture and I'll post that next. Thanks. So there you have it. These lights are pretty cool. Here's the box again. I'll post in the comments where I got it from Amazon, and the pricing. I believe they were around $33 a piece, something like that. They're supposed to last, what did it say, 5,000 hours or so, but I don't usually use these overhead garage lights very often because I'm not a mechanic, but I do dabble in trying to fix things on my car every now and again. So, and it's nice to have this really bright light in the garage. All right, thanks again. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks.